Welcome to Outing Journal. This is the Fujifilm X-E4 with 15 to 45 kit length. As you can see, I can zoom. This is electronic zoom, and I'm using the Audio Technica 809912 microphone, and there is no IBIS, only OIS, and I'm using the Pro Neck standard. Yes, this time I'm using the Pro Neck standard. So, where's my wife? So how good is autofocus? I'm trying to walk slowly. How is the autofocus doing? Where's my wife? Rabia? Okay. So I'm just going to do a real world vlog with the X-E4 with the 15 to 45, trying to buying some kids toys, and let's get started. So this is the old Shamshipu. I came here to buy some toys for my nephew. As you can see, this is a quite nice place. I think I have to go to the Aplukai Street. I have no idea. And this is just handle and walking. And I'm trying to do zoom. This is the zoom level you are going to get. 45 millimeter and 15 millimeter. At the street of, okay, it's called Fujifilm Street. Let me zoom in and show you Fujifilm Street, where we can buy some cheap wholesale toys in China. And this is a 45 millimeter. And by the way, I'm using the DCI 4K 200 megabits per second. And then let's see, can we find some toys or not. I'm just trying to walk a little bit slowly. I'm not trying to be that smooth with my ninja walk. Just trying to be regular smooth. So finally we found some toys here. Okay, there's some toys out here. So as you can see, for around $10 US. What do you want to buy? Or you want to go some further ahead? And there's a guitar inside. Just wait, let me see the prices first, because last time we went, they forced us to buy. So these are the toys, and this is the piano for $59. This seems quite nice. 59 will be like $6 US. Oh, there's some good amount of toys out here. You can really get close. I really like the minimum focus distance of 13 centimeter 1.3. I think we should, Rabia, let's go to another shop. Let's see something else. Here are some more toys, as you can see. Put into the Pro Neck High. Rabia, come here. There's some kitchen set like this one for $189. Let me just go and see a little more shop, and I think I will come back here. So these stores are also looking nice. Let's see, can we find something else? I don't think so. I think I have to go back and then look at the previous shop, which have some good amount of toys. Rabia? As you can see, there are some really good toys. Pro Neck High. I want to find my wife. Rabia, where do you want to buy? So what do you want to buy? I don't know. Can you find some piano, something like that?
Something like it?
Piano.
Piano?
So I want to buy some piano. Can you find something like piano? Why you are picking something rubbish? कौन सा लेना है? Can you ask their piano? So I'm just looking around and trying to see a good deal. I think I'm liking this one. Okay, so this. How which one you wanna buy?
Piano में कुछ piano क्या कर रहे हैं? ये कैसे kitchen cooking set?
I think no, Shivaji supermarket, the below one. How is this one?
कौन सा?
Home supermarket. We buy for Takla supermarket. We are buying for Kaka that one for the hospital.
I think how about
Maybe you have to use kitchen. You like it?
佢好堅㗎，你一捉佢咧，佢唔俾你㗎。
How is it? This one is for around $12. And this one is a supermarket set.
呢個169，169，169，169，169，159，加分呢個119，係咪啊？277。
好。
But I don't know where you can print it.
好，唔該晒。
so finally we're done.
So finally we bought the toys for around 300 Hong Kong dollar, which is around 40 US dollar. And this is still the Pro Neck. This is the Pro Neck High. I hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe and bye.